Stations Management. A station contains all the audio files loaded in the cloud with library definitions, schedules, and on-air information. Inonda can manage more stations at the same time, if they are activated on our cloud account as more independent radios. In this way, it's possible to manage with a single account the airing of more radios, make changes on the fly to the existing schedules or to the items of each station, listen to their streaming and more. The station menu is in the upper toolbar. Clicking on the menu, you can view the available stations and the state of their audio engine and encoder. It's possible to copy not only audio files but also information associated with them, genres, categories, properties, and editing info of each track. It's not possible, instead, to copy sequences, playlists, web streams, clocks, and schedules. Click Edit, Tools, Copy, or Update Library. The list shows available stations. Select one or more stations from the list. Use the checkbox at the top of the list to select all stations. Click Next. Enable data to copy along with the audio items and click Start Copy. A confirmation message appears. Click Yes. The copied library will be loaded in the target station once you select it from the station menu in the upper toolbar. It's possible to make changes to the library while maintaining the contents of the source station. If you made changes to an already copied library, you can update the new information on the target station by repeating the procedure. In this case, no copy of the audio files is performed, because they are already there, but just the properties, editing, and definitions info are updated, replacing old settings. It's also possible to copy or update an individual track or a precise selection of multiple tracks. Click the arrow to the left of the track in the media section and select Copy to or Update the other stations to start the copy update task on one item only. From the media section, do a multi-selection of tracks and click Actions, Copy to or Update the other stations to start the copy update task on several tracks. By clicking Edit, Tools, Copy Status, you can view the log of the copy update tasks of the item or other station. Users Management. For each account, it's possible to link one or more users with different roles. Depending on these roles, users may have permission to insert or deleting items in the station, while others can only manage the airing. Inonda allows multiple access to the same account. The presence of additional users is indicated by the red notification bar on the toolbar. The bar is displayed if there is another user connected to the same station. There are three roles: owner, station manager, and DJ. Owner is the main user. The owner can access to the additional users section. The users section allows you to add users specifying email and role. It's also possible to remove users already linked to the account. The maximum number of users depends on the purchased pricing plan. A user with owner privileges can manage other users, perform all tasks in the station, adding or removing material, editing, scheduling, etc., and check the airing. The owner in one account is unique and cannot be changed. Station managers can perform all tasks in the station, adding or removing material, editing, scheduling, etc., and check the airing. DJs can only manage the airing.